2 of the notes for Chapter 1, Section 2. We were discussing a parliamentary government, and a majority of the world governments use the parliamentary system. That is important to note. A majority of world governments use the parliamentary system. The problem is that it lacks some checks and balances, but promotes cooperation between the executive and legislative branches. So it promotes cooperation between the executive and legislative branches. So even though it has some negatives, that it lacks some checks and balances, it also has some positives, that it promotes the cooperation between the executive branch of the government, which is in charge, and the legislative branch, which is making the laws. So here's a picture that kind of shows that voters elect the legislator, and then you have the legislative branch, and then the chief executive is chosen by the leading party in the legislature, the chief executive. So in the UK, remember, that's called the Prime Minister. So the UK has a parliamentary government. So we've got parliamentary government continued, so no need for a new heading, just another bullet. So the Prime Minister is the head of the leading party in Parliament and chooses cabinet members from the Parliament. If the Parliament loses confidence in the Prime Minister and Cabinet, elections are held to form a new government. So elections are held in a parliament government, and when the Parliament, or if the Parliament, loses confidence in its leader, the Prime Minister, elections can be held to form a new government. All right, and that is all for Chapter 1, Section 2 notes. Please make sure that you typed them or you wrote them. If you typed them, you'll upload your document, Google Doc or Word Doc. If you wrote them on paper, you will take a picture that's not blurry with handwriting that's legible that I can read and upload the picture.